What skills do you need for data science? Well, buckle up, folks. Here are the top requirements. Asterisk programming skills, Python, R, and SQL are must-haves. Yes, SQL is a language, and you should know it. Asterisk math and statistics. Brush up on linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistical models. Asterisk data visualization. Tableau, Power BI, or D3.js. Pick your poison to communicate insights. Asterisk data wrangling. Can you handle dirty data? Learn Pandas, NumPy, and data pre-processing techniques. Asterisk machine learning. Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. The choice is yours, but learn supervised and unsupervised learning and deep learning. Asterisk communication. If you can't explain it, you didn't learn it. Develop your storytelling skills to present insights to non-techies. Asterisk domain expertise. Know your industry or niche to ask the right questions and provide meaningful insights. That's not all, folks. Stay up to date with industry trends and be prepared to continuously learn. Data science is a journey, not a destination.